Hello and welcome to SigmaXL video tutorials. In this video I'll be covering analysis of means for normal one-way data. Here's an excerpt from the book The Analysis of Means by Peter Nelson, Peter Ludica, and Karen Copeland. The analysis of means is an alternative procedure to ANOVA for comparing means. ANOM has the advantages of being much more intuitive and providing an easy-to-understand graphical result, which clearly indicates any means that are different from the overall mean and allows for easy assessment of practical as well as statistical significance. To run normal one-way analysis of means, we'll be using a sample data set found within SigmaXL called customer data. To open customer data, click Help, Sample Data, and then find the file customerdata.xlsx. This data file contains customer survey data using a Likert scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being very dissatisfied and 5 very satisfied. Click SigmaXL, Graphical Tools, Analysis of Means, ANOM, ANOM Normal One Way. Ensure that stacked column format is checked. Select Overall Satisfaction, click Numeric Data Variable Y. Select Customer Type and click Group Category X. Set alpha level to 0.05. Clicking OK will provide us with the ANOM Normal One Way chart. Here we see that customer type 1 mean satisfaction score is significantly below the overall mean and customer type 2 is significantly higher. This is consistent with the results that were observed in the ANOVA analysis covered in another video, but it is easier to interpret. The varying decision limits are due to the varying sample sizes for each customer type, with smaller sample sizes giving wider limits in a manner similar to a control chart. If the data are balanced, the decision limit lines will be constant. This concludes the normal one-way analysis of means tutorial video. For more videos, visit us at sigmaxl.com or join us at our YouTube page. Thank you for watching.